This is a walkthrough video on how to use the drafts commenting system. This system allows you to browse and provide comments to drafts. It's password protected, and while all delegates can view the comments entered to the system, only assigned delegates can submit comments. If you're a delegate who'd like to provide comments to a draft, please contact your delegation's contact administrator. If you're a contact administrator looking for instructions on how to assign meeting report contributors, please click the link on the screen to watch the explanatory video. You'll access the comment system through the central document platform for the meeting. Log in, and on the platform you'll see to the right the tabs Draft Texts and Draft Reports. First, we'll look at draft texts, which refer to any proposed texts that a chair or delegate would like to informally share and which they might open for comments. If a text is open for comments, you'll see the comments link as well as the time frame for submitting a comment here in red. So we'll click there, and we'll see all comments already made by other delegations. We'll scroll down and click Submit a New Comment. And in the first field, we'll just write a reference to which part of the draft text we're commenting on. Under comment, we'll write the proposed change itself, or if you are uploading a track changes file, a brief description of the change. You can expand this box to see the whole thing. And don't forget to click save when you're finished. And once the form is submitted, you'll see your comment at the top of the list. If necessary, you can make changes to your comment by clicking the edit icon here to the right. And here you will also have the option to delete your comment. And the same process applies to providing comments on draft report tranches and full draft reports, which will appear here to the right under draft reports. Tranches, we'll see here there is a CP report tranche available for comments. We'll click the red text. And we'll scroll down to the bottom, submit a new comment. And again, we'll put the agenda item, the precise location of your comment in the text, and the comment itself. But if you have comments that exceed 2 paragraphs in length, you also have the option to upload a Microsoft Word file with tracked changes. Select your file and upload. Provide the location and any comments you might want to add. Click Save. And you'll see your comment at the top of the list. Whenever a draft text or a draft report has been posted and is open for comments, the chair will send a notification to inform delegates. And if you have any questions, please contact the Secretariat's Information Officer.